how to sign apps for your tweaked app store locally on your computer. This is not server signing. If you guys want to know how to server sign, I will put a video in the description that will show you how to server sign better than I can explain it. So first you need to clone the zsign repository, which is the program we'll be using to sign apps today. I'll put this link in the description too. Alright, next you want to open where it created in Finder, and then open the README. Next, you want to install Homebrew and openssl if you don't have that installed yet, which if you're signing apps and you've created a tweaked app store, I would assume that you have. So next, you want to copy this command. And then you want to cd into your zsign where you want to cd into this folder through terminal. And then paste this command to make zsign or compile zsign. Alright, now that zsign has been made, you can either keep it in here or you can move it to a folder which you want to sign apps. But I will just keep it, or I guess I'll move it to an IPAs folder. And then next, open a new text file. And then go back to your the README from zsign. Then scroll down to where the signing instructions are here. So you want the change bundle ID and bundle name one. So just copy that command and then put it into the new text file that you created. And then what you're going to want to do here is you are going to, so let's just do the Odyssey IPA. As you can see, I have nothing prepared for this video, so. Okay, so then you want to move the whatever IPA to your folder, and then also move zsign to your folder. Okay. So I created a new user account for this video, so I could reuse, or I could clone the zsign repo again. So for this, we're just going to need to go into the IPA folder and then click option and then copy the path name for this. And then in the demo.ipa, you are going to want to copy that path name. And then for the name, you can either keep it the same name, keep the app the same name. So this one is Odyssey. And then you need to change the bundle ID, otherwise your app will get blacklisted. So for sideload store, I usually just do com.ss or s. What's going on here? ss dot, then just a bunch of random letters and numbers. And then for the output.ipa, just put what you want the IPA to be outputted as. So I would just do, for my purpose here, I would just do like Odyssey dash sideload store dot IPA. All right. And then you want to get make sure you have your cert mobile provision, and then you want to do the same thing that you did. You want to put your cert files into the IPAs folder, which I need to go grab, so I'll be right back, and I will start the video again when I have. It's got the cert files that we need for this. So you want to get the P12, and then option to copy the path name, and then place that with the path name to the P12. And then for the mobile provision, just do the same thing. And then the password here is the password of the cert, so that's fine. And then for every app you want to sign with this method, you just copy this command. You can then paste it, and then you can just change the bundle ID, the IPA file, and then the output file, and then it'll all go into your IPA folder. Not the fastest way to sign apps, but it works. So then you want to copy this command, then go into terminal, and then cd into the folder that everything is in. And then you want to paste that command, and then all right. So then your output IPA is in the same IPA folder as everything else. So from here on, you can upload all of your IPAs to your server, whatever server you're hosting with. And then, yeah, that's pretty much how to sign your apps for this method. Like I said earlier, I will put all of everything you need for this tutorial in the description below. And then, I forgot to mention this earlier, but if you have a Windows device, you're gonna, back in the README, there is it's just another tutorial, but written form. And then there's a section for Windows and what you have to do for that. Most of it's the same, just the compiling zsign is different. Everything else should be the same as this. But thanks for watching my tutorial, guys. See you guys whenever I make